You ever had one of those days where even holding yourself together feels like a struggle? Yeah, like your body's there, but your energy's hanging by a thread. That's what the word frail captures. It's more than just being weak. It's when something feels delicately breakable, physically, emotionally, or even in spirit. Maybe you've seen an elderly person whose hands tremble slightly. That's frail. Or when your confidence starts to shake after constant pressure. That's emotional frailty. It's fragile strength, still standing but quietly cracking. Now, see how this word comes alive in a conversation. 1. After the illness, he looked frail but determined to recover. 2. Her voice was frail, yet her words carried power. 3. That relationship was so frail, one argument, and everything collapsed. 4. He tried to hide his pain behind a frail smile. 5. Our hope felt frail, but it was still there. Frail reminds us that even the strongest people have fragile moments, and that's okay. Because sometimes being frail doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've been through something and you're still trying. So, next time you see someone struggling quietly, remember, strength isn't always loud. Sometimes it's frail and still fighting. That's frail. Short word, deep meaning. Catch the next one.